Hello and welcome to Timmy Sen again for an unboxing of a 2023 Hot Wheels. Today we have a brand new one from the Hot Wheels Green Speed series. It's number 4 of 10 in that series, and it's the Rimac Nevera. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but it is new for 2023. I think it's the first version of this, the first casting of this car. It's number 70 of 250 on the year. And this means they are electric cars when they're green speed. What are the green speed? Solar-powered and electric vehicles that prove you don't need gas to speed past the competition. 2021 copyright. And there's some cool stuff right there about the Rimac Nevera with an N. Let's get this open. I love the blue color. Let's get this Unimog out of the way. We just opened the Unimog up today. Oh, good stuff. This is a really sweet looking ride. I love the blue. Love the blue. Love the spoiler. Oh, and the spoiler's metal. Nice. So the top is all metal. The bottom is blue but plastic. That is made in Malaysia. 2 rivets. Hear that? So everything else is all metal. Not the black, the blue. Driving is in on the left. Windows are all up. All windows are up. All 4 wheels roll well. Painted taillights. Painted headlights. And we have a logo. Alright, how does it roll? How does it roll? Did not bring the beanbag out, so I gotta get my finger over there. It rolls pretty well. Woohoo! I'm liking it a lot. And I like the color a lot too. It's a metallic blue. Little bit lighter than that last one right there that I opened that was blue. But what a sweet ride. Today it looks nice out, but it's not. It's a little chilly still. Still in the low 40s. Very tempting to get that table uncovered, but not quite warm enough for me to get a few videos in. But I thank everybody that tuned in and checked out this video. Please subscribe to Timmy Sen again. And till next time. T10 out.